Welcome to Mastering Python Programming, a comprehensive online course designed to take you on an exciting journey into the world of Python programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some coding experience, this course is your gateway to mastering Python, one of the most popular and versatile programming languages. In this course, you'll dive into the fundamentals of Python programming, starting from the very basics, from using variables and performing calculations to making decisions with conditional statements, exploring the power of loops to automate repetitive tasks, unlocking the potential of data structures like lists and dictionaries, and harnessing the magic of functions, whether it's using them with parameters or crafting functions that return valuable results. But it's not just about theory. You'll apply what you learned through hands-on projects. Projects like creating a tip calculator, building a student grading program, or even coding a BMI analyzer. These projects are not only fun to create, but they'll also form a strong foundation for your programming journey. Learning to code isn't just about writing lines of text. It's about unlocking your creativity and honing your problem-solving skills. Learning to code empowers you to turn your visions into reality, to innovate, and to contribute to the ever-evolving digital landscape. Enroll now and take the first step towards becoming a confident Python programmer. Hope to see you soon.